Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning and it's low tide right now, and I want to check it out. So let's go check out the low tide. It's low tide in Taliwang Bas Beach. Check this out, man. All these people gathering, trying to get some stuff. Look at that. That's the fun part about low tide is there's so much treasure in the water, in the beach, that people gather and get, and they're basically getting their food for the day. And I still remember you were in Washington State that, you know, low tide we would go to the beach and look for clams. Over here they got buckets. People bring buckets with them and go to the water and get food for the day. It's amazing, and they do this every day when it's low tide. Look at that. You can see the grass. You can even see look at this, like worm-like creatures in the water, and starfish. See that? There's a lot of them. And you can see the jellyfish. There's actually jellyfish all over. More jellyfish here. It's amazing what you can see during low tide. And look at this. Nice. I don't know what they call this, but it reminds me of look at that. Beautiful. Oh man, there's more over here too. A little bit of water here. More starfish. I still remember when we were little, we used to go to Liloan. There's a beach in Liloan. It's not as nice as this. It's not white sand beach. It's like brown sand, but every low tide we would go and check out what's in the water. See that? And there's a sea urchins here, black sea urchins, a couple of them. There's actually a lot of them. Look, I don't know if you see them. Man, look at that. There's probably about 20. And then the starfish, different color. And again, this I don't know what they call this, but only see it in the water. Look at that. Nice, huh? There's another one over here. Look at this. Man, you can see so many different things underwater during low tide. Look at that, the sea urchins. You know, the sea urchins, they're like needles, and then if you step on it, it's not really that painful, but you know, there's a little pain. And guess how you get rid of them? You get somebody to pee on the needle, and basically they melt away, and that's how we do it. So if you step on those sea urchins, you have somebody pee on them. Man, check out all the starfish. There's so many here. Oh man, I'm getting still enjoying this low tide. Only in the water. This is part of living in the Philippines, part of living near the beach that you only experience in the Philippines or any other beach. Look at that. Nice. More starfish. Hey. Hey, look at all these people by the water. And there's the beach. And the beach house where we're staying. Right there. Nice. Love it. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, check this out. Oh, we got a lot of more sea urchins here. Lots of them. And check this out. Look at that. And this. And look at this orange colored. I don't know what this is called. There's a green colored one here. And there's a yellow colored over here. Hey, 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 look at this. I don't know what they call this. I wish I knew all this, but I don't. That's the bad part. And look at this yellow. Oh wow. Check this out. More here. And over here, look at this. Look at this. From the rocks, they're growing in the rocks. Yeah. There's a big one here. Big one here, look at this. So ay pagkuha ninyo?
Bot, sir.
Oh.
May swaki. Kinason.
Oh.
Sago-sago lang, sir.
No, happy dyan, puno-puno na yung mga sada.
Basta lang makaon.
Puno, kinili mo, maabot nga ni.
Eh, dili, sir.
Dili, tuwa.
Swaki yung dato, sir. Pulo swaki.
Ano eh, swaki. Oh, puswaki, nagmumang swaki, di ba? Nice. So you saw what they're getting. And that's their food for the day. What a way to spend and hope you enjoyed that short video about low tide here in Taliwang Bas Beach. Tides come and go. Early in the morning the tide is low, and then during the day it starts going up, and night it's really high. So I don't mind going swimming in the night. During the day, just enjoy the walk. I can do this every day, just walking and looking at all these beautiful creatures. Nakay swaki, Mel? Ha, ito dito. That's it for the day. Thank you, folks. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. That's our tour for today. Thanks. Bye.